Hello everybody, welcome back to another smart and simple programming video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to add attributes to HTML tags. This is course 4 of the HTML series. Attributes provide additional information to HTML tags. So we do have the basic element and we learned how to add CSS and a bunch of other stuff to them. But now we're going to add additional information that might be essential in certain tags or could be optional just to make the tag better. Okay, let's take a look at an example of this. So here I have a very simple HTML code, and on every single element here except the HTML element, there is certain attributes. See if you can find them and identify what they do. Okay, so hopefully you have taken a look and tried to identify some of the attributes here. So here are the answers. We have ID equals page, ID, href, href, ID, and source. Now these are all within the first part of the element. So if you go back here, we have the element, and there's two parts of the element, like in every single element, the first part and the second part with the backslash. All the attributes are stored in the first part. The way it works is it has attribute name, it has an attribute name and the attribute value, and an equal sign in the middle. And if you want to put more than one attribute, all you have to do is hit space and go again. But when you put the value, it must be in a quotation mark, unless it's like a number or something like that, which is a special case, which you can actually take a look at later. So here's the ID equals image and source equals example.jpg. So this is an image tag, and the ID for the image will be image in this case, and the source the image is going to display is this file.jpg. All right, let's move on. Now, you remember when we did CSS in the last video, and we zoomed in on this piece of code. Very simple, right? We had the style name here, we had the colon in the value, then a semicolon. You could actually put CSS. CSS by itself is an attribute, but you could put it in line with the HTML element. Let's take a look at how this is, and it's very similar to the setup we are looking at right now. Okay, so I have zoomed in on a H1 tag with some style. So the style is color blue. So it's going to have a blue color, so blue text, and we'll have a font size of 46px, so it'll get bigger. And basically, we have the name of the attribute. First of all, we have the quotation marks, right? This is important. And then we had the declaration, style equals, and then all the CSS. So colon is the name, name is color, colon is here, and the semicolon at the end with the value in between. So it's very similar to this in the same order. It's just that it's put in line. And now I won't recommend doing this when you have a lot of CSS needed, like if you're doing a really big CSS page. But if you have just like 2 or 3, it's a lot easier to put it in here than go and create a whole tag and organizer just for a little bit of CSS. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you try to make your HTML program and add some attributes to it and make it look a lot cooler. We also saw how the image tag works back here, very simply. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.